Video, I'm going to show you how to partition your C disk, how you to partition your disks in under Windows 11. So let's get started. There is two methods to access the manager. First, we can try the first method, which is Windows plus X, and it will show us this menu. After that, we click on the disk management, or we can use the search feature and we can write disk management, as you can see. In French, for example, it's called gestionnaire des disques, and here we are in the disk manager. Maybe we want our C partition, we want first to create a D partition. For example, we have only one C partition, it's 1 terabyte, and we want to create a D partition from that C partition. We go to our C partition, we click on, we right click it, and we click on shrink volume. Then we choose how much amount are we going to shrink from the disk. Let's say we want to do like, for example, 10 gigabytes. We want to create 10 gigabytes for the second drive. We go to calculator, it's in megabyte. We multiply 1024 by, we multiply it by 10 to see how much is that in megabytes. We just add a 0, so yeah, 10 to 40, and we click on shrink and we wait. After that, we have this unallocated space, which is 10 gigabytes, and the disk has been shrinked into this size. We use this unallocated space to create another disk. So we right click it and we click new sample volume, click on next. We leave it as the max size. If you want to create multiple disks, you can shrink this volume. You can choose the amount of megabytes you want to use, the size you want. After that, we choose D for the second. D is already used. Let's say I will use I. Okay, then next. I will keep this as is. Maybe you want to name it games. Maybe you want to install games on your D drive. So I'm gonna call it games. Leave everything as is and click next. After that, finish, and I wait for the formatting. After that, as you can see, it has been mounted, and voila. So when I go to the disk, this PC, I can find my main disk and my second disk. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in another one.